Hamann Benson. A vision for your future.
Hello, I am delighted to have you back on the Impact Strategic Podcast. I am Kaiser Stern, the artificial intelligence voice designed by Hamann and Benson. Today, we'll be talking about housing companies, which are featured in the Hamann Benson Impact Indice, which you can find on our website or in the links in the show. In the summary, we'll talk about the companies Snugger, Atlantic, Ben Energy, Cool Roof France, Equium, FHE, Secure, Energy Concept, Helia France, Hexafresh, Ixbot, Power of Moss, Roofscapes, Wanet, Yord. Let's get started. 4inch has developed a smart heating solution called Snugger. Snugger allows for room-by-room temperature programming, allowing for energy savings. The system replaces traditional radiator valves with connected valves that receive orders from a central system. The valves do not require batteries or wires. The system can be programmed in advance to turn on heating at specific times and places. Atlantic is a company that specializes in providing high-end heating solutions. The company had acquired Wien, which has developed an artificial intelligence technology that can predict human presence in a location. Wien's technology has a worldwide patent that covers 19 innovations. When applied to homes, the technology analyzes the thermal profile of a house based on its characteristics and local weather conditions, then connects to the occupant's smartphones to react to the occupant's smartphones to react to their movements and provide precise instructions to the thermostat. For example, when the residents leave the home, the thermostat lowers the temperature proportionally to their distance. When they return, it raises the temperature to the programmed comfort level, taking into account the estimated return time based on traffic. Beam Energy has developed a modular solar energy kit that can be fixed to a wall or floor and connected to a socket. The kit's microinverter transforms direct current into alternating current for use directly in the home. The aim is to eliminate standby energy consumption and make solar energy consumption and make solar more accessible. A 300-watt beam kit can produce the equivalent annual energy consumption of a fridge, internet box, stereo system, and 5 LED light bulbs. Yours can track production and consumption in real time with a dedicated platform. Cool Roof France is a company that provides innovative and sustainable roofing solutions to prevent overheating caused by solar radiation. Its flagship product is a white reflective coating for roofs that can reduce the average temperature of buildings by 6 degrees Celsius, leading to a 20 to 50% reduction in electricity consumption for air conditioning. The company aims to improve the thermal comfort of users while reducing the impact on the environment by decreasing the impact on the environment by decreasing the need for air conditioning, which emits greenhouse gases. Energy Concepts Heliodome is a concept of ecological solar house created, which consists in making the sun rays penetrate the house in winter to heat the interior and to maintain it shaded and fresh in summer thanks to the position of the sun. Since the construction of the first Heliodome 10 years ago in Kosswiller, about 10 projects have been built in France, Switzerland, and Germany. The Heliodome can take different forms to answer all the uses. The energy savings are considerable, with an electrical consumption up to 42% lower than a conventional house. Equium has developed new technology for heating and cooling called the acoustic heat pump. This technology uses the natural phenomenon of acoustic waves generated by temperature gradients to convert heat into sound waves and then back into heat. The result is a highly efficient, environmentally friendly and silent heating and cooling system that does not require any polluting substances to function. According to the company, the acoustic heat pump is 3 times more efficient than a regular radiator and can reduce CO2 emissions to almost zero when used with decarbonized electricity. The technology has a low carbon footprint and requires minimal maintenance with a lifespan of up to 30 years. FHE develops a thermal battery that stores excess energy from solar panels and allows for desynchronization of production and consumption. The technology, called Anelio, can reach up to 100 in self-sumption with proper monitoring of consumption. Heliofrance specializes in the manufacturing of thermal solar panels for hot water production. The panels are designed with recyclable materials such as copper, aluminum, and glass, making them more environmentally friendly. The panels use the sun's heat to heat running water, unlike photovoltaic solar panels which produce electricity. The panels are not just limited for residential use, but also for commercial and industrial use. Hexafresh is an energy-saving cooling and heating device. It is a refreshing individual fan that uses proprietary technology to refresh air without emitting CO2. The device is able to offer the same freshness as an air conditioner, reduce humidity, and filter the air without the need for a compressor. It takes 80% less electricity to run Hexafresh compared to a conventional air conditioner. Hexafresh uses the Peltier effect, a thermoelectric phenomenon, to cool a restricted area of about 1.3 to 1.5 cubic meters, such as a small office. The device can also be used as an auxiliary heater if necessary. Hexafresh is designed to be portable and can be moved anywhere in the house. IKESpot provides a solution for tracking energy waste in buildings. The company uses sensors and algorithms to collect and analyze data on energy consumption and delivery in real time. The sensors used by IKESpot collect a variety of data, including water, gas, and electricity consumption, as well as temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels. The company's algorithms analyze the data to detect any unusual spikes in consumption and provide alerts to building managers via a mobile application or email. By identifying energy waste and enabling quick action or email. Identifying energy waste and enabling quick action, IKESpot solution has been shown to energy consumption by an average of 16% without requiring any physical renovation work. IKESpot solution also provides users with a user-friendly interface that displays energy consumption data and performance indicators, which can be easily integrated into energy and environmental reports. Power of Moss's main product is an insulating foam made from moss, which improves thermal and sound insulation in buildings. Laboratory studies conducted by Power of Moss show an insulation gain of 10% for a bitumen roof and 18% for a company also produces foam. The company also produces foam irrigated totems for indoor installation that improve air quality. The moss foam attracts and removes particles present in the air, which are biodegraded and transformed into phytomass. Power of Moss claims that 1 and 2 of moss treats between 13 and 22 of moss treats between 13 and 22 grams of fine dust, the equivalent of 8 beech trees. Roofscapes aims to transform the sloping roofs of dense cities by covering them with green roofs. Green roofs could improve air quality, increase water retention during heavy rain, and reduce the temperature of the roof surface. This technique allows for the preservation of Parisian roofs, 2/3 of which are sloping and typically difficult to access, while also making them more environmentally friendly. Roofscapes was inspired by altanas in Venice, wooden terraces that were created in the 12th century when population density restricted the possibilities of having a garden. The geochorial bisecure is an artificial rock created by combining electrochemical reactions of seawater and sediment collection. The device allows the formation of a rocky conglomerate around a grid specially designed to receive the aggregates. The aggregation process uses electric currents, very weak, circulating in the seawater and in the soil and sediment or debris carried by the waves. The electrolysis process in seawater naturally leads to the formation of a calcimignesian deposit of a thickness higher than 10 centimeters, resulting from the sediments of all types carried by the seawater. As long as the electric current is maintained in the material, the rock concretion process continues. Any possible deterioration of the material, cracking, breakage, is annihilated and reversed by the self-healing capacity of the geochorial. One that offers a fully integrated system for self-consumption of photovoltaic energy to reduce electricity or gas bills. The system is designed to prioritize the production of a few PV panels for daily hot water needs and manage energy storage through an intelligent dual-tank water heater and specific batteries. Up to 85% of hot water and 98% of electrical production can be recovered. The system is profitable without subsidies, with a return on investment of less than 5 years for electric boilers and 7-8 years for gas boilers. Jord is a company that uses artificial intelligence to reduce heating consumption. They've developed an optimizer that can be connected directly to any heating system. Once connected, the optimizer and its wireless sensors perform a thermal calibration of the building, compiling information on the building, compiling information on the building's orientation, size of windows, thickness of walls, insulation quality, sunlight exposure, and other factors to optimize the heating system autonomously. Jord's solution starts delivering savings from day one and continues to increase over time. The installation is simple and does not require any modifications to the existing heating system. Jord's algorithms continuously optimize and better understand the building and user habits to maximize energy savings. That's the end of this episode. Thank you for attention. We hope you liked the episode. Have a good one.